Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome to the YouTube channel Health Q, the place where my mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. I am your host, physiotherapist Meghna Dave, and I'm back with another video on this channel. So today I'm going to talk to you about what are the different kinds of meditation that we can do. Now, as you all know, I have been sharing some of the videos with you regarding beginner meditation, since I am a beginner myself and I have been finding some of the challenges in doing meditation. Now, on my surprise, what I realized is sometimes all the meditation techniques don't fit to everyone. Everybody has their own unique style of meditation and an own unique style that is something that is closer to them and they enjoy doing. So at first place, if I have to learn this art of meditation, I should know what are the different types of meditation exist. And if you are a beginner, even same thing applies to you. So I did a bit of my research and I came up with 15 different types of meditation techniques that are existing and we can do on our day-to-day practice. So what are these 15 different types of meditation? We're going to talk about this in today's video. So stay tuned with me till the end. So the first type of meditation is called as focused attention. In this, you need to sit in complete peaceful area and focus on your breaths. This focusing on your breathing pattern helps you to develop that concentration, that focus, that is the core of meditation. The next method is body scan. In body scan, instead of focusing only on your breathing pattern, actually you're putting your intentional attention towards the body. So actually what you start doing is you start to focus on every single part of your body, starting from the tip of the toe till your head. This is basically a technique which helps you to put more relaxation and focused relaxation in each and every part of your body. The next type of meditation is noting. Nothing but a method where you allow the thoughts that are coming into your mind and become more aware about it. Now mostly the biggest challenge that beginners face in meditation is actually getting too many thoughts. In noting, what you do is you become more aware about all the thought processes that are coming while meditation. So this helps you to actually understand your thinking pattern. It also helps you to understand about your own behavioral patterns, tendencies and conditioning. Next is visualization. Now visualization is a technique in which you actually visualize either a person or else a thing that you love or you like, and you use this mental image as a source of focus while doing the meditation practice. Fifth is loving kindness. This practice basically focuses on imagining different people whom you love or you care about. You actually direct the positive energy of prayer and goodwill to that person via your thoughts and prayers while doing this meditation practice. This particular practice helps you to actually let go of the negative feelings that you might be experiencing on your day-to-day life. Moving to the next type of meditation, and that is skillful compassion. Skillful compassion is a kind of practice which enables you to focus on a person that you love and you are compassionate about. You put an attention on all the sensations and feelings that arise in your heart while thinking of that person that is loved one to you. This helps you to develop a good relationship with the persons in your family or else your friends as you are drifting your energy towards that compassionate behavior. Resting awareness. The next type is resting awareness. In this, you actually allow your body to rest completely and even sometimes go to sleep. But the idea here is to develop the sense of relaxation in your body. This sense of relaxation and rest pulls you away from all the thoughts that are coming in your mind and helps you to stay in a state of peace and serenity. And all the negative thoughts and other thoughts hence eventually drifts away. Moving to the next type, and that is reflection. In the reflection method, basically what you do is you ask a question to yourself while meditation. This particular method helps you to discover more about yourself. What are your securities, insecurities, ambitions, thoughts, happiness, etc. Internal reflections also helps you to make better decisions. Zen meditation. This particular type of meditation format arises from a Buddhist background. In this meditation also, you focus on your breath and perform the meditation process. Mantra meditation. Mantra meditation actually replaces the breath as a center of focus to a chanting of mantra. This mantra can be a short mantra like Omkar, or else even a small verse like Om Bhurbhuva Swaha or Om Namah Shivaya, etc. This helps you to focus on the words that develops positive vibrations within your body and thus helps in developing that sense of calmness and peacefulness. Yoga meditation. Now basically yoga meditation comprises of Kundalini yoga, which is a type of meditation based relaxation. Next is Vipassana meditation. It uses your connections to intensely identify, examine certain aspects of your existence and internal transformation. The intention of an external transformation. Chakra meditation. This particular meditation basically focuses on the core chakras of our body and is considered as a center of energy. And as we level up in our ability to meditate, we are able to move towards the higher chakras. Enables us to align the internal energies with the external world. Qigong meditation. It is an ancient Chinese practice. It involves harnessing the energy of the body by allowing different energy pathways which are called as meridians. This enables the body to open up and allow the fluids to move. 15th is the sound bath meditation. In this, there is a use of different objects and vessels to create some sound. The objects like bowls, gongs, etc. are used to develop that positive vibrations that helps to focus and develop that sense of calmness and peacefulness. It helps to develop the focus, the calmness, the peacefulness and the state of relaxation. So friends, these were the 15 types of meditation techniques that exist to my knowledge. As I will very clearly mention here, I am not an expert in this space, but yes, I'm genuinely trying to explore this world of meditation. I'm an absolute beginner, so this information I've got accumulated from the internet research, and I will also link to the article from which I've taken this content from so that you can read it further. I hope you found this series interesting and helpful. All my point of making this video is to let you know that if you are facing difficulty in starting your journey through meditation, remember there are different methods, there are different choices that you can make in your type of meditation technique that you love to do, that you enjoy doing. And even I am in that journey. So let's do this together. On that note, I will end this video here and see you in another video. Thank you.